Hey boys and girls, AZ Long here. Just thought I'd do you unveiling. So this is a box I received today plus one more that I'll show you in another video. And it is TracTive. And TracTive is what it is. Rear shock to replace the standard shock. I figured since I was going to go and change the front suspension, since I haven't looked at it yet, but I probably have the same issue that most of the new Tuaregs had with the problem with the KYB being put together improperly. And since mine is one of the first ones, I figured, well, we'll get this on its way, get it here, and then see if my suspension is bad or not. So here is what's going to replace the rear. Now, I really didn't have a problem with the rear, but I thought since I'm going to be changing things, I'm actually going to lower the bike with the shocks, and that's going to be 20 millimeters with my stubby 28 inch inseam. I just feel more comfortable. So this is what I'm going to be putting on. The one on the right, the one on the left is the one that came off the Kayaba. And like I said, I don't think it was really bad. It could stand some spring because it was a little soft for me with the weight I carry when I'm camping or such. But other than that, I think it's pretty good. And I'll probably get it checked out and looked at and revalved and such as a spare. Anyway, the TracTive has external adjustable spring preload and completely adjustable on your low speed, high speed, and rebound. So it's basically a dirt bike shock. So I will get that put back in. And by the way, speaking about installing, the removal of the Tuareg rear shock took me about a half hour. Pulled the rear wheel, pulled the 4 bolts in here, top bolt, the 3 bolts holding the shock to the dog bone and the linkage in there, and boom, twist it around, lift the swing arm, falls right out. Not a big deal. All right, so this is just a shorty. I'll let you know what it feels like, what it goes in like, and when I'm done putting it back together, and I'll let you know about the front end. As soon as I get this installed, then I'll start tearing the front end apart. Front end's already off the bike. As you can see, there's nobody home there, if you can see. But it's stripped. So, AZ Long saying y'all keep riding, because I can't ride now. Well, I can. I could ride the Bonneville or the Beta if I ever get some temperature down in this state. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll keep you informed. Louisiana Long? No, that's my old one. AZ Long. Y'all take care. Bye.